Welcome to Spring LIB.
All right, for part one, if the size of an interior angle is 170, we can figure out how many sides it has. One way to do it would be to understand that the sum of the interior angles is equal to 180 degrees times n minus 2. And each one, if it was regular, which this is, then each one could be found by dividing by n. So you use this structure to say, well, if that's an individual angle, and I know that it's 170, I can solve this equation. Multiply both sides by n. You could then distribute the 180. And then we could subtract 180n to both sides. And then divide both sides by -10, and you'll get positive 36, meaning there's 36 sides. A different way to do this is if you know that the interior angle was 170 degrees, then that would mean that the exterior is 10 degrees because they're always supplementary, and there's always 360 degrees in an exterior angle. And if each one was 10 degrees, then there's 36 of them. So it's just an alternative way to get the same answer. There are 36 sides here. In the second question, if the volume of a cylinder, so the formula for volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h. If the diameter is 14, then the radius is 7, and the volume is 1848. So we'll substitute that for v. We want to determine the height, and we want to use 22/7 for pi. Algebraically, not that you absolutely have to recognize this, but dividing by 7 here will cancel out one of the 7, so you really have just 22 times 7, which is 154 h. And so we have 1848 divide 154, and that's 12. So the height of this, the height of the cylinder is 12 centimeters.